Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be another Zara haul. Yay! Can I hear that? You guys love Zara. I do love Zara as well, and I was in Chicago a couple of weeks ago, which by the way, we have a full vlog on the Chicago trip, and if you guys haven't checked that out and if you like vlogs, make sure to watch that or check it out. It's in the box below here. I do not know what I'm doing with my So I did pick out some pieces there at the Zara, and I was just inspired to do a video that's a little bit different than just a full haul. I wanted to pick one piece and style it in multiple ways to give you guys more longevity for your wardrobe, and maybe you already have something that's similar to this pants at home and you'd like more ideas to wear it, or just incorporate maybe a couple of new pieces from spring. I will be talking in this video about how to style a jogging pants. I am going to show you different ways or different tops styles that you can put together with, and talking a little bit about spring colors that are up and coming and will be super hot for the spring season. So if you guys are into this kinds of videos, don't forget to already leave me a thumbs up, you guys. This is super helpful for me, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do so and ring the bell so you guys are the first ones to get notified every time I have a new video out. Ready? Let's do this. Okay guys, so starting with this new look, I am styling the joggers. So I'm going to be showing you glimpses of the full outfit styled, but the joggers are going to be the piece that I'm going to be styling with different tops for spring. So the joggers are available right now. They are $39.90, so really great deal. It has side pockets, like an elastic waist in here with the cute little ties, and it has like little silver tip in here just as a, I don't know, a style line or little addition. So anyway, the one thing that I am not loving about this bodysuit, even though I wore it like endlessly already, it's easy to wear just a Razorback bra or something that kind of ties in the back to make it not show, but because they are so low, it just shows in here. So I would say just wear something on the nips and then ditch the bra altogether, just because it is really low cut. However, or outside of that, I love the color, I love the fit. It's just a really good bodysuit. And then you guys, I went ahead and picked up this scarf. They call it Turtleneck scarf, and because it's just like basically a sleeve sweater. And I actually do like this style of things. I think it's something so different. It's a very unique piece, almost like a statement, and it is like lightweight, so obviously very airy. You know, the air can go places in here, and I feel like it would be a good transitioning piece going into spring. So this one is the size medium, therefore it is a little bit too big for me. That's all they had in store, and I decided to get it anyway because I felt like it would be just a really cute addition to my wardrobe. The sweater is, I believe, $29.90 and the bodysuit $19. I can start marking the prices down below as well for you guys, if that's helpful. I feel like this will be really cute styled with a hat as well. And I just grabbed my YSL Sunset. I also chose my little Gucci prints down loafers in here, and I wanted to mention that they do run a half a size small, so in case you want to order this online, just be mindful of that. I am an 8.5 US size, and I get them in the 38s, and they are like completely beat up, but it has been one of my most worn shoes over the last like couple of years since I've gotten them. For the next outfit is the cutest little polo knit top. This is a little more cropped than I envisioned. Obviously, we're not being able to try anything on the store, so you know, you just have to grab and hope for the best, but I love it, you guys. I love the way that the joggers actually come as high as you want them to be, since they are adjustable on the waist. So you can show like as much stomach or as little as you want to. And I love they're super comfortable. There's a little cap sleeve detail in here, but it does not show the bra too much like the other style did. My bra is right here though, so it will be the perfect length to actually cover it up and be pretty seamless. I love that it has this little polo collar in here because it makes it very, very sporty, but it still shows a little bit of my like necklace jewelry game, so you can make it as girly or as sporty as you want to. I am styling this look here with the Balenciaga belt bag, so this is like pretty sporty. This style is actually a men's style, but I wanted to show you guys so you can see how big it is on me. I just don't feel like it's too big at all, and I actually usually wear mine crossbody, but I wanted to show you on my waist since I don't want to take it from the cute little top style in here. Also wearing my Balenciaga sneakers, the chunky sneaks. I feel like it's an elevated sporty kind, so it gives this kind of like designer feel to any of the outfits that you wear with. Okay guys, for the next look is this hooded sweatshirt. I have no idea how they got the name from or where they got the name from, because this is more of like a cropped jacket to me, so just this will be my description. It has the big square flap pockets in front. He has a cute little zipper in here with a little detail to open it up. It is a hoodie style, so definitely works so cute like this. I would wear it just down, kind of like, it's a vibe. I feel like these pieces are a total mood. I love that this is more of like a statement piece. In this color, you guys, I see it more of like a, well, it's not a moss green. I don't know what kind of green this is, and I forgot how they're describing this color, but it's almost like a grayish green, and it is so cool. I have been so attracted to this for spring. I feel like it's gonna be a super hot color throughout this year. Now it's just like a pastel, but it just goes around or goes away from like the very basic neutrals, which are my jam, you know, the camels, the creams, even like the light browns, lattes, and all of that kind of stuff. But it also works so well, so if you incorporate these colors into your wardrobe, and right now it just goes in so seamless. So I really am into these pieces. Love the hoodie. I feel like this will be a total, like I said, grab and go mood, you know, a vibe. Love the more of like a, it's not really a balloon sleeve, but kind of, or yeah, kind of, because the hem here is a little bit, or the cuff is a little bit more narrow, and it does make a little balloon style. So that's it for the jacket. This one is $39.90, which I feel like it's such a great deal for like a statement piece. It is way more trendy though, so I believe this is not gonna be lasting for like seasons upon seasons. So if you're into getting a couple of trendy pieces, I feel like this will be fun for like spring and even summertime. This is the size small, so this is what it fits like for me. And then I do have the little bra, which I still have my other bra in here. This is the knitted bralette. So that's what it fits like on the, looks like on the back. So for this knit tank in here, it is definitely a cropped style. This is also size small. I feel like I could have gone to an extra small, but I didn't see it at the store either. This is something that you can wear definitely without a bra, because even though it does not have a lot of support, it's like a knit style, so it's not gonna be showing through or anything like that. So maybe for like a smaller bust ladies, you could do really well with just this alone. If not, it just fits like a normal little bralette. I would style this with my little Gucci bucket bag, and I am wearing my express braided shoes or sandals in here. It's like a low heel, and I love this vibe. I love the kind of colors they are together. Not super monochromatic, but definitely like all in harmony. I feel like I would wear this to like a cute little brunch with my friends, or like a stroll in the mall or something like this. Once spring comes around, you'll definitely see me wearing this non-stop. So guys, for the last look, I'm showing you this halter neck. Well, it's actually called the high neck sweater. So, or high neck top. So I love the color of this. First of all, I do love the style. I feel like it would be such a great staple to wear with jeans or shorts, or like under a denim jacket, or even a little blazer for spring. I just found out by reading on the description that this top is made of recycled PET bottles, which is like the water bottles that we have, or like sodas, you know, like the big soda. I don't know, this is a very known and common name in Brazil. Everybody knows what PET bottles are, but I don't know if it's very common here in America. I don't know if people talk about it, but anyway, it just makes me really happy to see Zara kind of like stepping up their game and trying to do more resourceful things, because fast fashion is tough on the planet, that's for sure. I just try to be better at wearing an item multiple times and then reselling to like local shops and thrift stores and things like that. So anyway, that said, I do love the style quite a lot. This is the size small, not much else to talk about. It's sleeveless. Anyway, and then the next piece is this cardigan that if you do follow me on Insta, you've seen quite a few times. It has been something that I grab every morning. I leave by my bed and then I grab it when I'm not filming, or if I'm in the office working and it gets a little bit chilly, because it is so freaking cozy, you guys. It's just amazing. I am, however, very sad to see that it's sold out on this color, or I'm not finding it. So I am leaving the link for this exact one, but it's available in other colors. So I think the lavender and the cream are still available online, but keep in mind that the coziness is amazing. So I told you I'm like really obsessed about this color. I feel like it's gonna be the hottest color, so I'm kind of gravitating towards that. But lavender is another color that I've seen popping all over the place, and cream is such a great staple. I just feel like I have so many cream pieces already. I just wanted to kind of like start to incorporate a little bit more color going into spring. This has been kind of like my choice. I'm also showing you the Amazon handbag that I am wearing. This is a Bottega Veneta look-alike, so it's definitely Amazon Prime, and it was sold out last time I checked, but I'll double check or try to find something that's still available for you guys in that price point, and if not, I'll link the real deal for you guys. And then last but not least is this look-alike Gucci flat sandals that a brand sent to me, and I'm like, they look so good. They look so real to me if you're not like really paying attention, and if you're just looking for that look and, you know, a little sandal for under, I feel like it's $80 or $70, I think that they can be a really good sandal for spring. And that was it for today, guys. I hope that these outfits were inspiring to you guys and gave you some great ideas to wear looks for your spring, what colors that are gonna be trending, and what sorts of pieces. The little jackets too. I feel like spring, depending on where you live, it's still like a little chilly, so I also like to incorporate some of this like little cozy pieces in here. And I also hope that the joggers were inspiring enough for you to see that you can style it in so many endless ways. So my question for you is, for the next video, next Zara haul, do you want to see more of like an overall variety of pieces like the first one that I've done, which is the winter styling, which I'm also going to leave the link down here for you? Or do you prefer things that are more of like how to style a certain piece with all Zara pieces? So say we pick a pair of pants or a jacket or something that's like trending or easy to style, I don't know, easy to pair with other looks, or something that you can get more wear out, and that way I just give you more longevity to your piece, or do you just want to see more of what the pieces are that are coming out? So that's what I'd love to know from you guys. Do make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos. Obviously that helps me so much. Subscribe to the channel. There's much more to come in terms of hauls. If there's a retailer that I haven't featured here yet and you guys love to see, make sure that you let me know down below in the comments. That's it for today. I see you next time. Um beijo, tchau, tchau.